Are you looking for the perfect 3D printer that delivers high-quality prints, whether for beginners, hobbyists, or professionals? In this video, we've rounded up the top 5 best 3D printers you can buy right now. From budget-friendly options to advanced models with incredible precision, we'll cover everything you need to know to help you pick the right one. All the product links are listed down in the description, so you can check them out for the latest deals and more details. Now, let's dive into the list. 5. HALOT Creality High Combo. Discover the Creality High Combo 3D printer, designed for creators who want precision, speed, and convenience. With its multicolor CFS system and RFID filament reading, this printer takes the guesswork out of material management by automatically detecting and switching filaments. The fully automated filament detection ensures smooth printing without interruptions, making it perfect for both beginners and professionals. Featuring a generous 26 x 26 x 30 centimeter build size, the Creality High Combo delivers high-quality prints with ease, whether you're working on prototypes, models, or creative projects. 4. QIDI Q1 Pro 3D Printer. The QIDI Q1 Pro 3D printer is built for speed, precision, and reliability. With a blazing fast 600 mm/s print speed, independent dual Z-axis motors, and an advanced auto-leveling system, it takes 3D printing performance to the next level. The 60-dew heated chamber ensures stable printing for high-temperature filaments, while the 230-volt power support keeps it efficient for long projects. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional maker, the QIDI Q1 Pro delivers top-notch quality and consistency on every print. 3. FLASHFORGE AD5X. Discover the FLASHFORGE AD5X 3D printer, designed to take your printing experience to the next level. With multicolor printing capability, an intelligent filament management system, and one-click auto-leveling, this printer makes creating professional quality models easier than ever. Perfect for hobbyists, makers, and professionals, the AD5X also supports group control, allowing multiple printers to be managed at once for maximum efficiency. Whether you're bringing ideas to life at home, in the classroom, or in a production setting, the FLASHFORGE AD5X delivers precision, convenience, and innovation in every print. 2. EasyThreed 3D Printer. Introducing the EasyThreed entry-level 3D printer, an excellent choice for beginners who want to step into the world of additive manufacturing without the steep learning curve. This compact yet efficient printer is fully compatible with PLA and TPU 1.75 mm filaments, allowing you to experiment with flexible and rigid materials right out of the box. Designed with user-friendliness in mind, it comes equipped with a dedicated power adapter for stable operation and consistent print quality. Despite its approachable setup, the EasyThreed ensures precise layer deposition and reliable performance, making it ideal for hobbyists, students, and even educators looking to demonstrate 3D printing technology. Whether you're printing prototypes, small models, or creative projects, this machine provides a solid foundation to explore the possibilities of 3D printing. 1. Anycubic Cobra 3 Combo. Meet the Anycubic Cobra 3 Combo AE version, a next-gen multicolor FDM 3D printer designed for speed, precision, and creativity. With blazing fast printing speeds up to 600 mm/s and a generous 250 x 250 x 260 mm build volume, this printer makes large and detailed projects easier than ever. The AE Combo version supports multicolor printing, letting you bring your ideas to life with stunning detail and vibrant finishes. Whether you're a hobbyist, maker, or professional, the Cobra 3 Combo delivers smooth performance and reliability, making it a powerful addition to any 3D printing setup. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best 3D printers. Each one has its own strengths, so whether you're just starting out or looking for a professional upgrade, there's definitely an option here for you.